Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and state. Make sure battery is above 10% and the Surface Book 2 is powered on so the latch can operate. Once done, save your work and close resource-heavy apps to avoid detachment failures. Place the laptop on a stable, flat surface and disconnect external devices. This reduces stress on the hinge. Now locate the Detach key on the keyboard or the Detach icon in the taskbar. That's your primary control to initiate release. You press the keyboard Detach button or the taskbar Detach icon and observe the LEDs and on-screen prompt. They indicate when the hinge is unlocked. Once the lights change and you see the confirmation, gently grip the tablet portion by its sides. Don't pull from the display top. Lift straight up with steady pressure. A slight wiggle is normal if sensors recalibrate. If the system re-engages, stop, wait 5 seconds, and try the Detach command again for a clean release. You finish by setting the keyboard aside or reattaching. Align the tablet with the base and lower it until you hear a firm click, confirming mechanical connection. If the tablet won't detach, reboot Windows and retry the Detach sequence. This often clears sensor or driver glitches. Make sure Windows and firmware are up to date, because outdated drivers can prevent latch operation. If problems persist after updates, check Device Manager for docking/latch errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.